Hey, what's up, YouTube? Man, I'm back. Welcome back to the show, man. Come on in here, sit down. We got some stuff to talk about. Got these two docks, man. First one is the baby boy. It is actually one that you mount to the air vents in your car. You actually just clip it in there, or I believe you can probably just mount this through some 3M tape on your dashboard or something like that, and it does swivel. And this one is one that you actually did mount to your dashboard or through your windshield through suction, or of course the 3M tape. But why am I reviewing two regular old run-of-the-mill docks for your car? Because they have fast wireless charging. That's why. So let's get into this, man. Oh, by the way, check the link in the description if you want all the super details, like technical numbers and stuff. But let's put the big daddy to the side right here, show him some respect. And we're gonna open up the little one first and then see what's in this box. Very simple, minimal packing, man. Everybody trying to be green and save the earth these days and not put a whole bunch of stuff in their packing, but that's cool. Sturdy box right there. Got some instructions. You know what? I'm gonna believe in myself today and that I'm not going to need this. So let's just put it right here. And then we have some goodies. Okay, we have the ball head right here with the 3M tape on it. Put that right there. Got a collar. And then we have the little clip that you put into your AC vent. We'll get a closer look at that in a second. Got some extra 3M tape right there. And then we have the star of the show, that's the dock right there. Let's put this to the side. Then we have this, it says metal plate. That's not metal, hold on. Okay, so this says metal magnetic plate, but it's actually some type of really strong paper, but it has four either magnets or metal in there, and it's kind of glued and stuck there. So I guess this is what you put inside of your phone case. Wait, man, that's sticking to my Galaxy Note. Okay, so there's some metal in there. That's sticking to my Galaxy Note right there. So if you had a phone case, you put this inside of your phone case, slap it in there like that, and then, I don't have a case, sorry. And then it actually sticks together. You see how much pull that has? That is, your phone's not going anywhere. It's on there. Oh, that is so cool. It's got this retractable, there's a button back here. It's got a retractable USB, okay? So you don't have a big wire just hanging out everywhere. So you don't have this wire hanging out everywhere when you put this on your dashboard. I like that. I don't think I've ever seen that in a charger before. Flip it up, rub it down. Oh no! This will actually stick into your AC vent with this little push button clip right here. Man, that is tough. So once it's on there, it's not coming off. It's got like, wow, I'm not even putting my finger in there. All right, so now I need to get a charger and run some power through this thing so we can see if it actually works. Okay, so I actually have this thing plugged into my Samsung fast charger right here. And the green light is on. That's actually a nice little green glow it has there on the sides. I guess there's some embedded LEDs in there. And the cord is pretty much stretched all the way out. And this cord is, I don't know how long that is. It's probably about, I'd say about 3 feet of cord, I would say. And let's see if this thing sticks. Well, we don't need to stick it on there with the magnet because we know that's your plate that you put on the back of your phone. But let's just see if it charges my phone. Put that right there, and here's the charger. Now you gotta hit that sweet spot. Okay, let's move it up. Oh, there it is. Did you hear it? It is charging. Is it fast charging? Okay, this one is just simple wireless charging. It says my battery's at 16%, approximately 2 hours and 55 minutes until full. So this is regular charging speed right here. That's what this one is. This one is supposed to be fast charging. We'll definitely test that out. But I have a pretty good magnetic pull on here without even putting on this back plate right here. So that's actually pretty cool. But that's about it for this one, man. It's a very simple product. Stick it in your AC vent, or like I said, you can actually use this attachment and do it via 3M tape. You got plenty of swivel action right there, all right? Up, down, round, around, and you can pretty much aim that thing wherever you want to. So you can, I mean, you shouldn't be checking out your phone while you're driving, but if you have your GPS going, you can swivel it towards yourself, however you're gonna use it. So that's actually a nice tool to have in your car. Okay, next up is the big grand poobah himself. All right, so this is the fast wireless charger. Yeah, it says fast charge right there for Samsung, iPhone, and other compatible devices. Let's just tear this thing open, man. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay, that was the most savage unboxing ever. All right, let's put all this to the side. Just being disrespectful, man. All right, so I got some Okay, this shows me what I got here. So it says use it with your, okay, this looks just like my Samsung adaptive charge right here. And then it also comes with, where is it at? I just saw it. Ah, it's in here. Okay, it actually comes with, throw it to the side. Shh, be quiet, I'm trying to do a video. It actually comes with this car charger input right here. And it is 5 volts, 2 amps. That's definitely enough. And it says fast charge right here with your USB input. So let's open this up. Let's open up this wire. Shh, I'm trying to shoot a video. Okay, so it comes with your USB mini, no, this micro USB right here. Let's plug this in right here, a little power strip. And then let's take this, plug it in right here at the bottom of the dock right there. Green light flashing, now I got a blue light and then nothing. Okay, so I guess it did it like a power cycle. So let's just take a look around this thing. So we also get, did this one come out of the other one? Hold on. No, it's on there. So you actually do get a one to put on your vent if you want to. So you get everything with this one, with the Big Daddy. You get the one for the AC vent in case you don't want to use this big monster right here. Let's put this on. Make sure I'm doing this right. Okay. Hope I didn't just break it. All right, let's screw it on. Get it tight. Okay, so let's make sure that's clean. So this would be my dashboard, okay? So let's take off this plastic right here. Put that right there so it doesn't get dirty. Let's put it on, it's actually, whoa. It's stuck. Bear with me, man, hold on. No, it's for real. All right, once you get it on, it's not the easiest thing to get on. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, okay, yes, there is some adhesive on here. So if you want it to stay where it's at, put it there and then you can clamp down via suction. So it has adhesive and suction. Let me put this plastic piece back on here because I don't want it stuck to my desk. That's nuts. Okay, so let's see if it'll just stick. You saw how well it was sticking to this thing. So let's see how it will stick with just suction. So let's just clamp down. Okay, I do feel the suction though. It's not stuck like it should be because I got this plastic piece in the middle, but it actually does have some good suction. Hold on, let me, oh man. Yeah, I can't put this on my table because it'll just be stuck there. I don't want to do that. But let's trust that this thing actually will stick because I had a real hard time getting it off my table. Anyway, so it's stuck right here. I got power running to it. Where's my phone? All right, so I saw a little button. So there's a little button back here that you press. So you open up your arms like this, or do you? No, you press the button in the back. So there's a little button in the back and it opens up the arm. So that's easy one-hand operation right there. And it's got these feet on the bottom. So you can just sit your phone in there and let it rest. Now I have my kickstand on my phone at just the right spot. Man, that was lucky. Oh, you hear it? It just sounded off. Okay, then you squeeze and then your phone is charging. It's charging 16%. It says fast charging wirelessly. So when it's time to get out of your car, you just tap this button in the back and it opens up the arms, it comes out, and there's plenty of padding right here. So your phone doesn't get scratched up and it doesn't, you know, squeeze it to the point where it's scratching up the sides of your phone because it's got rubber padding right here on the bottom and on the back side of there. So let's just put this bad boy in here one more time and you're gonna hear that connection. There it is. And then we will squeeze, give it a little love squeeze. And then it's in there. So as you're driving and your phone is kind of vibrating and shaking around, it's not going anywhere. When it's time to get out of there, one touch operation. Bam! It opens up, snatch your phone up out of there, and you are ready to go. I think it works great. Once again, that one-handed operation I'm a big fan of because, you know, it's just easy. Squeeze it, it's in there, it's charging, fast charging by the way. When it's time to get out of your ride, press that button, snatch your phone up, and it's time to go. I ain't claiming to be an expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews. But before I get out of here, you go ahead, hold on man, let me put my phone down. You go ahead and you tap on that bell first. Tap the bell because I do reviews like this all the time and you really don't want to be missing them. So this is gonna let you get notified when I do put up another video. Then you tap on that like button, just tap it real gently. You don't want to mess up your phone screen. And then you smash on that subscribe button. Your screen ain't gonna break, man. Just smash it, put your thumb on there. And I'll see you on the next one.